Welcome. In this lecture, we will talk about some of the major expected topics from the section on culture and heritage. So far, we have discussed various topics pertaining to science, space and technology, research and development, and this is another intrinsic important section that you must not miss. So, Uttarakhand got the highest GI tags. Now, in 2023, one of the important GI tag which was given besides this was in the Kathua district to Basholi paintings. Now, these got a GI tag from Jammu, and Kathua became the first independent GI product from Jammu. Besides this, in Uttarakhand, we have the almond lakhori mirchis, the bichu booty fabric, which are some of the important GI tags. Besides that, Uttarakhand Mandua, which is the finger millets from Uttarakhand, have received the GI tags. The best Tourism Village Award by UN World Tourism Organization has been given to Dhorodo, and that is for the Ran Utsav in the Ran of Kutch in Gujarat. The next is in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. There have been two new sites from India which have been added, and this sites includes the sacred ensembles of Hosalyas belonging to the 12th and the 13th century in Karnataka. Another important is the town of Rabindranath Tagore, the Shantiniketan town in West Bengal. Now, in 2023, 42 different sites were recognized, of which 33 belong to the cultural sites and 9 were the natural sites which were identified under the UNESCO World Heritage List. Besides this, we have seen a recent development of National Maritime Heritage Complex, and this Maritime Heritage Complex has been developed at Lothal, which is one of the important centers of Harappan civilization, and the port and the river that ran close to Lothal, the concepts based on those has been analyzed. The next is the 2023 UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Heritage Conservation. Now, under this, the award for excellence goes to Rambagh Gates and Parts, and this is located in Punjab. Award of distinction in India goes to Kanikar Mandapam, which is in the Kunamangalam Bhagwati temple in Kerala. Besides this, the two other important regions are the Fanning Golf Course and the Dogan Garden Residences. The next is Award of Merit going to Church of Epiphany. Now, this is one of the parish churches, very important. Then we have David Sassoon Library and Reading Room in Mumbai, Bikaner House, which is now a bus terminal, and a government office in New Delhi. Now, 3 of these from India. Besides this, from China, it is the Yannan Yun in Penning University and Pen Fen Family Residence. Then the special recognition for sustainable development goes to People Haveli in Punjab, and again the award of distinction same we have seen back here, that is the Karnikara Mandapam in the Kunamangalam Bhagwati temple in Kerala. Besides this, in Kathmandu, the Kamai chain is another important place, and then there has been an award for new design and heritage which goes to the region of Loyang, the Eritol Site Museum of Zia Capital. So those are some of the other important awards which have been given under the UNESCO 2023 Asia Pacific Awards for Heritage Conservation. So again, these are some of the important places that you must know. GI tag we have covered extensively in the Down to Earth January 2024 second edition, the second fortnightly edition, where we have seen Germany has the highest number of GI tags, close to 15,000, followed by China around 7,000, and India only at 390. But still, we do have room for improvement in the GI tags. So the major GI tags, the places where they belong to, for example, in Assam you have the Johar rice, the Boka rice. So those are some of the important ones that you must know. Similarly, you have the Bhalia wheat in Gujarat. So those are some examples of GI tag, but of course the complete list is really important, and you must be aware about GI tags, a very important topic for this time. Wish you good luck and prepare well. Thanks for joining in.